Imagine creating a product once and getting paid over and over again. That's the magic of print on demand, where you can sell custom designs on everything from t-shirts to mugs without ever handling inventory or shipping. And the best part? It's all passive. In today's video, we're going to take you through the exact steps you need to turn your creativity into an automated income stream with print on demand. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to start your own print on demand business and make money while you sleep. So, what exactly is print on demand? It's a business model that allows you to create custom designs that are printed on products only when a customer orders them. That means you don't need to buy any inventory up front. You simply upload your designs to a print-on-demand platform, and when someone makes a purchase, the platform prints, packs, and ships the product to the customer. You simply collect the profit after manufacturing costs. Step 1 is choosing the right platform. There are plenty of print-on-demand platforms, each with different strengths. Let's break down 3 of the most popular options: Teespring, Redbubble, and Printful. Teespring is best for beginners. It's easy to use, and you don't need your own website to sell. Plus, Teespring helps you with marketing by promoting your designs through their marketplace. Redbubble is ideal for artists and designers who want to reach a creative audience. Redbubble handles everything from printing to shipping, and you get access to their marketplace, which already has millions of visitors. Printful is the go-to for serious entrepreneurs. With Printful, you can integrate their service into your own website or store on platforms like Shopify or Etsy. It offers more control over branding and product quality, but requires more effort in marketing. Once you've picked your platform, it's time to choose your niche. Finding the right niche can be the difference between your designs sitting on the digital shelf and them flying off to customers worldwide. Start by researching trending topics. Use tools like Google Trends, Etsy, and even Instagram hashtags to see what's trending. Niches like funny slogans, eco-friendly designs, or specific hobbies like hiking or yoga are always popular. Focus on your passions. If you're passionate about a niche, it's easier to create authentic designs. Whether it's gaming, pets, or fitness, pick something you're excited about. Look for underserved markets. Explore niches where there's demand but little competition. For example, you might find that there are lots of designs for cat lovers, but not many for reptile enthusiasts. Test multiple niches. Don't be afraid to test different niches with smaller designs to see what resonates. The key is to find where your designs connect with buyers. Now, let's talk about creating designs. You don't need to be a professional designer to succeed with print on demand. With free or affordable online design tools, you can easily create high-quality designs that sell. 1. Use Canva or Placeit. Canva offers free templates and design elements, perfect for beginners. Placeit provides ready-made mockups and design templates tailored for print-on-demand products. 2. Keep designs simple. Some of the best-selling print-on-demand products have clean, minimalist designs. Focus on bold, easy-to-read fonts and clear graphics that stand out. 3. Outsource to designers. If you're not confident in your design skills, hire freelance designers on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. You can give them your ideas and they'll create professional designs for you. 4. Design for different products. Once you have a design, think about how it will look on a variety of products: t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, tote bags, and more. One design can work across multiple items, multiplying your chances of making a sale. If you're struggling to come up with design ideas, don't worry. There are plenty of ways to find inspiration for what's trending and in demand. To find design inspiration, start by exploring social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. Follow popular accounts in your niche and take note of the designs that are getting the most likes and shares. Next, check out online marketplaces like Etsy, Amazon, and Redbubble to see what's selling well in real time, focusing on best sellers in your niche. You can also use design tools like Pinterest and Canva, which offer inspiration boards, trends, and templates to spark new ideas. Finally, stay ahead of the curve by following industry blogs and newsletters that report on the latest trends in graphic design and fashion. This way, you'll be able to tap into trends before they peak, giving you a competitive edge. Step 4. Now that you have your designs, it's time to get them in front of customers. Here's how to effectively market your print-on-demand products and drive sales. Leverage social media. Platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok are perfect for showcasing your designs. Use relevant hashtags to reach your target audience. Start with paid ads. Facebook and Instagram ads can give you a quick sales boost. You can run ads for as little as $5 per day and target specific audiences related to your niche. Collaborate with influencers. Find influencers in your niche who would love your products. Offer them a free sample or a commission for every sale they drive. Use SEO. If you're using a platform like Etsy, optimize your product titles, descriptions, and tags for search engines. Include keywords that customers are searching for, like funny t-shirt or eco-friendly mug. Email marketing. Build an email list from your customers and offer exclusive deals, early access to new designs, or discounts to drive repeat sales. Step 5. Pricing is critical in print on demand because you need to cover the cost of manufacturing and shipping while still making a profit. Here's how to set your prices to maximize your earnings. 1. Check platform fees. Each platform has different production costs. For example, on Printful, a basic t-shirt might cost you $12, while a hoodie could be $25. You should aim to mark up your products by at least 30% to 50%. So, if a t-shirt costs $12 to produce, price it around $18 to $20. Test pricing. Start with different price points and track how your products perform. Sometimes a slight price drop can dramatically increase your sales volume. Once you start making sales, it's time to automate and scale your print-on-demand business. Automation is key to making this business truly passive. To automate and scale your print-on-demand business, start by setting up automatic social media posting using tools like Buffer or Later to schedule your Instagram or Pinterest posts in advance, keeping your store active without the need for daily work. Next, automate your email marketing with platforms like MailChimp or ConvertKit, allowing you to send out promotions, new product launches, or reminders for abandoned carts without lifting a finger. Make sure to use analytics to track which products are performing the best, so you can focus on creating variations of your top sellers and introducing new products based on what's already working. Finally, expand your reach by uploading your winning designs to other print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble or Society6, multiplying your chances of reaching new audiences and boosting sales. Now that you're making sales, it's time to track and optimize your store's performance. Continuous improvement is key to scaling your passive income. Here's how to do it. Track sales and traffic. Use analytics tools provided by your print-on-demand platform or integrate Google Analytics to see where your traffic and sales are coming from. Identify best sellers. Focus on the designs that sell the most and create similar designs or variations to capitalize on what's working. Optimize marketing. Adjust your marketing strategies based on what's driving sales. For example, if Pinterest brings the most traffic, double down on that platform. Experiment with promotions. Test different types of promotions, like free shipping or limited time discounts, and see how they impact sales. Now let us tell you about Sarah. She started her print-on-demand business with just 5 simple designs, mostly humorous quotes and minimalist graphics. She used Teespring to upload her designs and focused on fitness and motivational quotes. Within her first year, she generated over $10,000 in passive income by simply marketing her designs on Instagram and Facebook. Here's how she did it. Sarah began with just 5 simple designs focused on fitness and motivation. She uploaded these designs to Teespring, leveraging their marketplace to make her first sales. By promoting her products on Instagram with targeted fitness hashtags, her following grew steadily. As her sales increased, Sarah reinvested her earnings into marketing, which allowed her to expand her product line and significantly grow her passive income. Print on demand is one of the most accessible and scalable ways to create passive income. You can start with just a few designs, automate your marketing, and watch your income grow over time. Remember, the key is to start now, experiment, and refine your process as you go. The earlier you begin, the sooner you'll start making money while you sleep. Ready to start earning passive income? Hit the subscribe button and follow along for more expert strategies that help you make money while you sleep. In our next video, we'll cover another profitable passive income stream you won't want to miss.